Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ricky. If you are first time here, my channel is share laser information, whatever laser cutting, laser welding, laser marking, etc. And this episode, I would like to share useful techniques. That is how to maintain chiller in long-term shutdown state. Why do I share this? Well, let's look. Some of you maybe have already using laser welding machine. Some of you have bought a laser cutting machine, whatever kinds of the laser products. But few people truly noticed a key part. That is, the chiller is the important component for laser products. This, for example, the chiller is so important to make the machine running stability and welding efficiently. So before this part, I would like to share some key function about the chiller. Yeah. Besides the chiller is circulating water to the two components. For example, laser source. Number two, the welding header. Yeah. I refer to this laser welding machine. Yeah. If the cutting, there will be the cutting header or marking header. Yeah. But they are the same function. That is to support the circulating water to the components to make the machine had good performance. Had good to avoid the overheating to make the machines the working stability, because the stability is so important to our machines. Yeah. And meanwhile, this machine can make your laser products get more lifespan. Yeah. Okay. So in summary, get more performance, reliability, and avoid damage the components. Yeah. So that is what I'm sure the chiller is so important. So besides, let's break down how to maintain the chillers. Yeah, in a long time shutdown state, or emphasize long-term shutdown state. For example, if your company will holding the celebrated holiday, so annual meeting, and or you want to get a holiday, etc. Yeah, the kinds of the reasons. So the machine should be shut down. During this time, you need to follow this step to maintain them. It's easy to use. Or for describing this step, I will give you videos. Yeah, to show you how to running it. Yeah. So let's get started to see the videos.
冷水机长时间停机，处理教程。首先给冷水机排水，一手按住快插接头的卡环，另一手拔出堵头。 排水口无水流后，将设备倾斜排出雨水。随后用压缩气枪依次吹扫各个出水、回水口，进行再次排水，直至各出水口、回水口及排水口无水流流出。最后将堵头插回排水口即可。
At last, if you want this video or if you want this channel, don't hesitate to give your comments. More topic about this industry. Don't hesitate to give me your comments as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next videos. Bye.